Hello there. Yeah, I found these gems here in my collection. I'm gonna actually start building them, starting with that top one there. And I found out I have two of these. At some time or another, I must have bought one, and then thinking I didn't have it, bought another one. So that's the which one was that? I can't remember what it's called now. If I can find the front, but it's 76899. This is Speed Champions 2-in-1. But I'm going to start out with this one here in a little while, but I'm going to do a little vlog here. Got some ideas for my city as far as upgrading it and everything. So if that interests you, it's coming up after this. Okay, there's an exact photograph of me. No, actually, that's my dog. All right, so let's go into the Lego living room and check that out. Be right back. Okay, this is the city as it is now. Pardon the fans. There, we got a couple fans in here. As you can see, it's just a little L here with a train track going around. I also have this one here that I'm planning on putting a Christmas tree there in the winter village there. And I'm going to have one train going around. And I plan on doing another turn right here, going the other direction. So that way I can continue this line going around this way. I don't know if you get the idea there. Anyway, I have two trains running. One for the winter village itself. And then another, the main line right there. Which kind of brings me to my expansion here. I'm thinking about getting another table. I don't know if you all remember before I had my computer right here with a desk, a smaller desk. Pardon the ashes right there, or whatever that is. But I had a table sitting here, which gave me a little idea. I almost did it then too, but I want to get a little black table and put it right here. And maybe bring the train track around it, and that should expand all that city over this way. Now I can't do a big table because I do need a space right here so I can get to everything in the corner there. So it should give me about maybe 1.5 to 2 feet where I can actually step into about right here where the edge of the camera goes. It's about there. That's with the 6-foot one. Now with the 4-foot one, it'll give me more room, like this, about to here. So I'm just hoping that they're the same height. If I remember right, they are the same height. And I'm going to probably go to Walmart around the 1st to get one of those, black. That way it matches the roads. I do need roads. I need a lot of roads, road plates. I think I got 2 or 3. And that only give you this length right here. Might have a few over there too, somewhere. And of course I'm still building that assembly square thing, center, assembly square center, that's going to go right there. This will all move. And we'll put the cars there up on the shelf along with the green one that I have over there in the corner. I just finished the other day. But yeah, I think if I expand this over here, my whole city will expand over. It should still give you enough room to get into the living room and all that kind of thing. I mean, it did then too, but I don't see why not. So that's my ideas. And I also want to do some more boxes up here. There's my up house flying. He's flying away. So my plan is to put some shelves up here thought about doing the boxes, but I don't think they'd be strong enough to hold these cars. And make them like shelves. But see what happens. Have them above there. So tell me what you think in your in the comments. Like this video and about my idea. All right, yeah. So that's that. So I'm gonna expand the city. Not sure how I'm gonna do it yet, but and I have no idea what I'm saying right now. So this is completely unscripted, and so I just got to add this, and we'll see what happens there, and I'll have more vlogs coming up. I'm going to build the Speed Champions I was talking about a minute ago, and I'll probably have a video about that, and I'll just do a review on it, and then post that. So stay tuned for that. It should be coming up next like day or two. So that's my vlog. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and comment, like I said previously. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.